Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have a to the power of a into b to the power of b equals to 8 times of a to the power of b into b to the power of 8. And now we solve this problem for the values of a and b, but our a and b must be belongs to an integer. Okay, so we solve this problem for the integer solutions. So the very first step we are going to do is here first we move these two terms in the left hand side, and it will be written as a to the power of a into b to the power of b divided by a to the power of b into b to the power of a, and it is equals to 8. And now in the next step, here we use the nice exponential law, and you very well know about this law. If we have a to the power of m divided by b to the power of n, so a to the power of n, so here you see that if bases are same but its exponents are different, so we subtract the denominator exponent to the numerator exponent, and it will be written as a to the power of m minus n. So according to this exponential law, here you see that the bases of this term and this term are same, so we subtract this exponent by this exponent, and it will be written as a to the power of a minus b. Similarly, the bases on these two terms are also same, so we subtract this exponent by this exponent, and it will be written as b to the power of b minus a, and this whole equation equals to 8. And now in the next step, you see here we have a to the power of a minus b multiplied by b. So here we take common -1 from the exponent of this term, and it will be written as b to the exponent of minus into a minus b, and this is equals to 8. And now in the next step, you see here the exponent of this term is negative, so that we move it down, and it will be written as a to the power of a minus b divided by b to the power of a minus b is equals to 8. So here you see that the bases on these two terms are different but its exponents are same, so that we combine the exponent of these two terms, and it will be written as uh, a over b, and its whole exponent is a minus b, and it is equals to 8. And now in the next step, we solve this problem by two cases, so that our first case is we take first case is we compare both of the sides. So you have 8, and we write it as 8 over 1, and its whole exponent is 1. Okay, so we write 8 in this form. And now in first case, we just compare directly both of these sides. So when you compare its bases, so we get here a over b equals to 8 over 1, and when we compare its exponent, so we write it as a minus b equals to 1. So here we solve these two equations, and we just obtain here a equals to 8 times of b, and here we call this is our equation number 1, and we put the value of a equals to 8b here. So we just put a equals to 8b in this equation, so it will be written as 8b minus b equals to 1, and 8b minus b equals to 7b equals to 1. So here you get the value of b equals to 1 over 7. So but you see here b equals to 1 over 7 is not an integer. Okay, here you see that b is not belongs to z. Okay, if b is not integer, so we rejected this case, because in this problem we just solve here for integer solutions. Okay, so now our first case is rejected, and now we move towards our second case, and we find or check the values of a and b. So in second case, first we rewrite this equation as, so here we have a over b, and its whole exponent is a minus b, and you have this is 8, and we write this 8 as 2 cubed. Okay, So now we simplify this one. So here we rewrite this 2 cubed as 2 over 1 and its whole cubed. Okay, so we write this 2 cubed as 2 over 1 and its whole cubed, and in the left hand side we have a over b and its whole exponent is a minus b. So now we compare both of the sides. So here first we compare its bases. So the base in the left hand side is a over b and base in the right hand side is 2 over 1, and similarly in the left hand side exponent is a minus b equals to 3. So now in the next step we have this is a is equals to 2 times of b, and here we have a minus b equals to 3. So here we substitute this value of a equals to 2b in this equation, and we easily get the value of b. So when we put this value here, it will be written as 2b minus b equals to 3. So 2b minus b equals to b, and this is b equals to 3. So this is the our integer solution. So here you just see that this is belongs to z, and now we substitute this value of b here, and we easily get the value of a. So you have a equals to 2 times of b, and our b is 3. So you get the value of a equals to 6. So here our 6 is also belongs to z. So you see that both a and b are integer values. So this is the our final solution of this question. And now we check this solution. So is this solution satisfied our given question statement or not? So that here we first copy down the question statement. It is a to the power of a into b to the power of b equals to 8 times of a to the power of b into b to the power of a. So here we move here we just first substitute the values of a and b here, and it will be written as the value of a is 6, so it will becomes here 6 to the power of 6 multiplied by b is 3, so we write it as 3 to the power of 3, and a is again our 6 and b is 3, so b is 3 and a is 6. So here we just substitute the values of a and b in this equation. And now in the next step we move these two terms in the left hand side. So here first you see that we have 6 to the power of 6. It means that we just multiply this 6 by 6 times in this way. Okay, so after that we have this 3 power 3. It means that we multiply 3 times of 3, and it is divided by 6 to the power of 3 and 3 to the power of 6. So we write this 6 to the power of 3 as 6 is multiplied 3 times, and we write this 3 to the power of 6 as 3 is multiplied by 6 times. Okay, in this way, and its right hand side is equals to 8. So now in the next step here we cancel or simplify some these terms. So these 3 are cancelled by each other. Similarly these 3 are also cancelled by each other, and we have this is 3 2s are 6, this is also 3 2s are 6, and this is 3 2s are 6. So you have 2 times of 2 is 4, and 4 2s are 8. So finally you get here 8 is equals to 8. So both of the sides are equal. It means that the values of a and b is satisfied this equation. So this is the final solution, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.